Learning the lingo, the art of informal communication in English. Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into the world of informal communication, specifically focusing on colloquial expressions and slang in English emails and letters. This lesson is going to help you feel more confident and natural when communicating with friends, family, and casual acquaintances in written English. So, let's get started. First off, let's understand what we mean by colloquial expressions and slang. Colloquial expressions are informal phrases or sayings used in everyday conversation. On the other hand, slang is a type of language that is very informal and is often used in specific contexts or among particular groups of people. For example, a colloquial expression could be, break a leg, which means, good luck. A slang term could be, chill, which means, to relax. Remember, while it's fun and engaging to use these expressions, they're best suited for informal communication. They can help make your writing feel more friendly and natural. When should you use colloquial expressions and slang? Primarily in informal situations. When writing an email to a friend, for instance, you might say, let's catch up soon, instead of, let's meet soon. Or, what's up, instead of, how are you? Remember, the aim is to mirror the kind of language you'd use in a relaxed, face-to-face conversation. However, be mindful of cultural and age differences. Some slang might not be understood or appreciated by people from different cultures or generations. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate these expressions into your written communication. Here's an example. Instead of writing, I am not able to attend the meeting tomorrow, you might say, I can't make it to the meeting tomorrow. Or, instead of, please inform me when you are ready, you might say, give me a shout when you're ready. It's all about making your writing sound more conversational and less like a formal speech. And that's a wrap on our lesson on using colloquial expressions and slang in informal written English communication. Remember, these expressions can add a personal touch and make your messages more engaging and relatable. However, always consider the context and the person you're communicating with to ensure your message is both appropriate and understandable. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll be a master of informal English communication in no time. Stay tuned for more lessons to come, and happy writing!